Here's a different way to make your zucchini noodles with Alfredo sauce. Keep watching. Zucchini noodles with chicken Alfredo sauce. Miss Sassy Pat. Starting off with some chicken breast, I'm gonna add some pepper, some garlic salt, some 21 seasoning. I love this seasonings at Trader Joe's, and this garlic and herb. Then I'm gonna flip it and add the same seasonings on the other side. 21 seasoning, my garlic and herb, and my garlic salt, and some black pepper. And I'm gonna also add some onion salt. And there you go. So let's get the sauce together. So I'm gonna take a pot, and then I'm gonna do this Alfredo sauce. And I'm gonna add some to this little pot, pan, whatever you call it. I'm not a cook. And I did add some garlic salt and some pepper to this. And I'm gonna let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. So then I'm gonna take my grill pan, get it warm. I'm gonna add this Honey Gardens coconut oil and raw honey. This is the best stuff. I purchased it at Marshall's, and it was like, I think it was like under $7. I tried to find it again, but I couldn't, and I looked on Amazon, and it's $28. So I'm going to continue to look for this at Marshall's. So I'm gonna add that seasoned chicken to my grill pan. Yummy. Then I'm gonna get all the extra seasoning and put it on the chicken because I don't want it to go to waste. And I'm gonna let this cook. And I think I let my chicken cook for 14 minutes. So there you go. So I should have let the chicken cook a little longer, but of course I did not. So let the chicken cook a little longer, and I always cut my chicken in half because I always want to make sure that it is done and it is still not clucking. I do not want to eat any raw chicken, so this is what I do. You don't have to do it. You can just keep flipping it. You could also grill the chicken. I just didn't have a grill. But it looks so tasty. Yummy. So I'm gonna plate this chicken, and then I'm gonna go to the next step. Yummy. So I'm gonna take a zucchini that I washed. I'm gonna cut off the ends. And then I'm gonna cut it in half. Now, if you had like a spiralizer or any other zucchini cutter, you could have done that, but I just wanted to do the basics. Everybody has a knife, so I just wanted to do just cutting the zucchini in half. I will do this recipe again with using my spiralizer. There you go. Now I'm taking another grill pan, and I'm taking the coconut oil and raw honey. Look how delicious that looks. And I love this honey because it has such a unique taste. It makes everything taste good. So I'm gonna put my little cut zucchini in my grill pan. Then I'm gonna add my seasoning, some pepper, some 21 seasoning, and some garlic salt. And I'm just gonna keep flipping this. And I think I cooked the zucchini for about 7 minutes, and I just kept flipping on each side. You could also eat the zucchini raw. I just wanted to grill it. And just adding some more seasonings to the other side. And it's so easy. This meal took about 30 minutes, I'm gonna say. And I cut the end part of the zucchini. I should have cutting that off before cooking so it could cook better. So, as I said, I am not a professional. This is just a simple, easy meal to make instead of using processed noodles, just using the zucchinis as your noodles. So let's plate this. So I'm taking some of the zucchini noodles, or zucchini, and it's acting as my noodles. I'm gonna plate that. Gonna add some mozzarella cheese. This is an optional step. Just put a little cheese on the zucchini while it's hot. Then I'm gonna take that Alfredo sauce and pour that on. Now I could have worked on my presentation a little bit more, but on my next video I promise to be better. And I'm gonna add some of that chicken that I cooked in my grill pan that I cut up a little bit. Doesn't it look so delicious? Then I'm gonna add a little more of the Alfredo sauce. Pour some more mozzarella cheese, and there you have it. This is so delicious. You have to try it. So yummy. Please follow me on Instagram, Miss Sassy Pat, and also on YouTube. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my very next video. Bye!